Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you what are the strengths of Claude AI. First of all, let me tell you what is Claude. Claude is basically an AI model just like ChatGPT, but better. The first thing is that with Claude, you can upload files and attachment and ask Claude about the related content which is in your attachment. You may say that ChatGPT also supports attachments, but the problem with ChatGPT with attachments is that it's only available for the paid users, the plus users. But in case of Claude, it is available for everyone. And that's what makes Claude better than ChatGPT. Number 2, Claude also has more recent data than ChatGPT. If you are a user of a ChatGPT, then you may have encountered a problem in the past that ChatGPT telling you that it is not updated to the latest and has only limited amount of data since 2023 or till 2022, maybe just like that. But with Claude, you have more recent data, more latest data. You can ask questions about the recent activity and Claude won't give you an error. Number 3, you can upload large amounts of data on Claude. For example, if I upload a PDF file with so many pages to the Claude and ask Claude to summarize my file, then it can handle 75,000 words, which is 3 times more than ChatGPT. Claude is already too much better than ChatGPT, but if you subscribe to Pro version of Claude, then you can also get the access of Claude 3. In my opinion, Claude free version is already performing very solid, but if you are a pro user, then you can also try Claude 3 by becoming a subscriber. And these were some of the strengths of the Claude AI. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.